So that is 4 into 1.40, that is equal to dollar 5.6. So this is cost of the petrol. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. We are going to start exercise 1C of new syllabus mathematics book 2. This is exercise that is 1C. Question number 1. An online retailer charges a basic service fee of $3 for any purchase made. So $3 is a permanent or constant for any purchase. Part 1 is a fee of $2 per kg charged for the delivery of package. Find the amount a customer will have to pay if the package weighs 0.5 kg. Part A, 0.5 kg. A packet weight is 0.5 kg. So we need to find the amount a customer will pay for package of 0.5 kg. So customer pays so a fee of $2 per kg. So $2 for 1 kg, and but this is half kg. So 2 into 0.5 and plus $3 for any purchase plus $3. So he will pay, that is this will be 1 plus 3 equal to 4. So customer will pay $4. And part B of this question, if the package weight is 4 kg, then customer pays, that is equal to 2 into 4 kg plus 3 is constant fees for everyone. So 2 4s are 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3, that is equal to $11. And similarly, part C is for a package weight 9 kg. So in this case the customer will pay $2 per kg. So this is 9 kg. So 2 into 9 plus 3 permanent fee, that is equal to 2 9s are 18 plus 3 21, that is $21. So next, part 2 is given that $Y represents the amount a customer pays for a package that weighs X kg. Copy and complete the table. So actually the same values as in part 1, 0.5, 4 kg, 9 kg, these are given in the table form. So we need to find the customer pays, same thing, just in the table form. So here against 0.5 we have already calculated, that is $4. Here it is, answer is $4. For this column there will be $11. And for part C, here it will be 9 2s are 18 plus 3 21. So this will be 21. So actually same values we calculated, same answer we calculated above, we need to put the values in the table. So question number 2, the graph shows the distance d kilometer traveled for every p liter petrol used. So the graph is given here. So petrol used, that is P in liters. This is horizontally, that means along x-axis, and distance traveled is vertically on y-axis, and we can see that on horizontally or on x-axis 2 centimeter 2 units are equal to 1. The actually scale is used such that 2 centimeter equal to 1. This is 2. So if we see the there are small scale in each centimeter. The partition is such that there are some 5 small squares. So it means from here to here uh, this distance is 1. So it means each small square equal to zero point 0.1. So 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.5 up to 0 0.9, then 1. So every division on x-axis that is equal to 0 0.1. And if we see the scale along y-axis, that it is 2 small units equal to 10. So it means 1 small unit equal to 5. This is 5. So it means 5, 10, 15, here 15. So that means the each small square equal to 1. So that is from here to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is important thing that should be keep in mind, that what are the small square values. Here part A. So how far the car can travel if it has 2 liters of petrol. So this is 2 liter petrol. So if we see the point against 2, that is this one, and from here if we see this is 15. So this point is in front of 15. So it means with 2 liter petrol the car can travel 15 kilometer distance. So answer for part A is 15 kilometer. And what for second point, for B, 5.2 liters of petrol. Where is 5.2? 5.2 is this one, because each small scale equal to 0.1. So 5.2 is this point, and we need to check the what is the distance against this value. So if we see straight, so this point is this one 5.2. So this is 39. So 5.2 2 square here, this point is it is actually one small square below the 40. This is actually prominent point is 40. 5, I mean that with the help of scale, if we see this a little below than the 40. So this is 39 kilometer. So for 5.2 the answer will be 39 kilometer. And next part 2 is the cost of petrol required to travel 30 kilometer, given that 1 liter of petrol cost 1.40. So for 30 kilometer, where is 30? 30 is this one. And we need to find the cost, but first we will find that how many liters petrol is used to travel 30 kilometer distance. This is 30 kilometer, and the point on the line is this one. And if we see below, that is 4 kilometer. So it means petrol use is 4 liters for 30 to travel the distance of 30 kilometer. So it means we have a number of liters of petrol, and its cost is given per liter 1.40. So we multiply 4 into 1.40. This will be equal to, so that is 4 into 1.40, that is equal to $5.6. So this is cost of the petrol. This is the answer. So there is question number 3, exercise 1C. To attract customers, a shop launches a simple loyalty program that awards a customer with points each time he makes a purchase. So every time when the customer visit the mall or shop, he collects some points under the scheme of the given by the shopkeeper. Under this program, each point is awarded for every dollar spent. The point can then be redeemed, mean that the points then can be converted or exchanged with the price reduction or discount on the next purchase. Nadia wants to find out conversion rate between redeemed loyalty points and price reduction. To do this, she observes the number of points each of three customer redeem points P, the corresponding price reduction. So she observed that one customer has point 10 and he is given a reduction of $0.20. An other customer has point 43 and he is given the reduction of $0.86. And third customer have point 75 and the reduction is given $1.50. So this is the table actually given on a sheet of graph paper using a scale of 2 centimeter to represent 10 points on x-axis and 2 centimeter to represent the $0.20 on y-axis. Plot the value of P and D. We need to plot the P and D, P points and D is reduction. So we have this graph paper. I draw the Cartesian coordinate system, lines, two perpendicular lines. This is x-axis. On x-axis, every 2 centimeter represent 10 points. This is 10. Next 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, then 80 and 100, 60, 70, 80, 100, 90 and 100, so on. So every 2 centimeter represent 10, and on the y-axis every 2 centimeter represents 0.20. Point is 0, 0.40, 0.60, 0.80, and then this will be 0.80 plus 0.20, this will be 1. So I put this just 0.90 in the middle. That I mean that if we also take the middle points, the value will be 0.10, and this will be, this is 0.20, this will be 0.30 in middle. So I wrote up to 1.60 values. So as per the table on the given in the book, for 10 points there is a $0.20. So first value is this one. Against 10 points the value is 0.20, and for 43 point the value is 0.86. Where is 43? This is 40 and this is 50. So in between is 45. This value is 45 and 43 is somewhere in the middle of 40 and 45. So this is in the middle, 0.86. So this one is 0.86. This is a 0.80, this is 0.90 and 0.86 somewhere in the middle, approximate middle, not exactly middle. So this value comes about here, and third value is 75 on x-axis, 75. This is 70, this is 80, and the middle point is this is 75 and 75 and 1.50. So 1.50, which line, which is this one. So 1.50, actually this value is here, 1.50. So I put the point. Now we join the points. So need to recheck this point. This is 75 and 1.50, which is this one. So the next is question number 3, exercise 1C. To attract customers, a shop launches a simple loyalty program that awards the customer with points. each time he makes a purchase. So every time when he visits the shop to purchase something, he is given some points against his purchase. Under this program, each point is awarded for every dollar spent. The points can then be redeemed and converted to price reduction on the next purchase. So points can be exchanged with the reduction or discount. Nadia wants to find out the conversion rate between redeemed loyalty points and price reduction. To do this, she observes the number of points each of three customers redeem, P points, and the corresponding price reduction. So she observes what discount is given against the point. So she observed that first customer visit in the shop, he has 10 points and he is given a reduction of $0.20. Then another customer with who has 43 points and he has been given the discount of $0.86, and another customer, third customer with 75 point, and he is given the discount of 1.50. So this table is given. We need to draw these values on the graph paper, on the sheet of graph paper, using scale of 2 centimeter to represent 10 points on the x-axis and 2 centimeter to represent the 0.20 on y-axis. Plot the values of P and D. So I have this graph paper. I draw two perpendicular line. This is one line, this is second line, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. As per question, he asked that for every 2 centimeter write there 10. So every 2 centimeter denoted by 10. So it means that this will be 10, next 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100, so on. In between you can write value like 5 here. This is between 10 and 20, so middle point is 15. Here middle point is 25, between 20 and 30. We can write if we are needed, but right now we just we have 2 centimeter equal to 10 points. For every 2 centimeter equal to 10 points. And for y-axis, he told in the question that for every 2 centimeter that should be equal to $0.20. So from here to here 2 centimeter. So this 2 centimeter denoted by $0.20, then add 0.20, 0.40, 0.60, 0.80, then add 0.20 here, this will be 1.0, and further add 0.20, this will be 1.20, 1.40 and 1.60. And in the question, if we see the middle points, this is 0.20 and this will be 0.10, this will 0.30. So in middle we can put the points. This will be 0.50. Here 1.50 is given. We can write here 1.50. So this is 1.50. Now pointer given against 10. This is 10. The on y-axis D is given, which is 0.20. So 1 point is here, and next point is against 43. 40, this is 40 and this 50, in between is 45. So 43 is between 40, approximate between 40 and 45. So if we see, this is here in the middle somewhere. Where is 0.86? 0.86, actually 0.8 is here, and this is 0.86, because this is 0.80 and this will be 0.90. This is 0.90 and 85 is in middle, and a little up, 1 point up, that is 0.86. This is 0.86, and next is against 75. Where is 75? This is 70 and this is 80. Between them, between 70 and 80, there is a 75. This is 75 point, and on y-axis it is 1.50. So if we keep on going straight to the line, so this is 1.50. And now join all the 3 points. So we drew the line which is passing through the center. So this is the straight line actually we draw as per in the question. Part 2 of this question is determine the equation of the straight line. So what is equation of straight line? For equation of straight line, we can take any two prominent points. For example, if we take point, this one, first point, so this is 10, and if we see its y distance is 0.20, and this one is 10. So gradient is y distance over horizontal distance, x distance, or I think in the we have used the term rise. This is rise and this is run. So rise over run. Rise is 0.20 over 10. So 0.20 over 10, that is 0.02. So it means actually equation of line is y equal to mx plus c. Since line is passing through the center O, for center O the y-intercept is, or y-coordinate is 0. So y equal to, or here we are using y denoted by d, which is reduction. D equal to m is 0.02, and so this is a gradient, and into x actually we denote here, we are using the variable p, not x actually, here p. So like just we can write d equal to m, instead of x on axis we are using p, not x axis, plus c is constant. So d equal to, this is slope into p, and c is 0. So this is the equation of line as per question number 2. Part 3 is a customer redeemed 10 points for a purchase of $8.90. So a customer actually he bought, or he made a purchase of $8.90 for, and he want to redeem the points to 10 points. Calculate the amount he pays in cash. So this is actually total amount 8.90 he made the purchase, and there will be some discount because of 210 redeemed points. So we need to find the what is the discount. So point are 210. So part 3 actually D equal to mean discount or reduction, that is equal to 0.02 point. The customer has the point 0.02 into points are 210. So 210 multiplied by 210 multiplied by 0.02, 4.2. So this reduction equal to $4.20, and this is a reduction. And actually he made a purchase of that is equal to $8.90, and reduction is equal to reduction, that is equal to $4.20, and customer will pay customer pays subtract from total this reduction 0, 7 and 4. So customer will pay 4.70 instead of 8.90 because of the reduction from the point which are redeemed, that is equal to the amount 4.20. This is the answer. Question number 4 is David works for customizable t-shirts printing shop and is tasked to plot a graph that displays the cost of printing t-shirts so that shop can plan the charges for their services. So this is a graph that is number of t-shirt, n and cost. So part 1 is copy and complete the table. So table is, this is the table given. Number of shirts and cost. $10, $30, $50, $70. So need to complete this table. When number of shirts are 10, the cost is, this is 10 and against the value is 100, then the cost is 100. So when there is 30, number of shirts are 30, the cost is 200, this is 200, and number of shirt 50, cost against 50 is actually, yes, this is 50, 300. So this is 300, and for 70 cost is 400. So this is the answer of question 1. Now part 2 is David noticed that the cost per t-shirt decreases when more t-shirts are printed and is puzzled by the observation from the graph that 0 t-shirt costs 50. Provide a possible explanation to this problem. So actually, if we see the graph, if the number of shirts are decreasing here, this is t-shirts decreases, cost is also decreasing, and even when it reaches to 0, still there is still there is 0 t-shirt cost $50, 50. So provide possible explanation. Actually this is the overhead, or I mean that whether the number of t-shirt does not sell, I mean that there is no sale of the t-shirt at all, but David will charge $50 which are compulsory. So for his services, actually his earning of David depends upon the number of shirts. So more the number of shirts shirt sale, he will get more. But suppose there is no shirt sale, then David's I mean that his earning will be fixed, which is equal to 50. So for 0 shirt, 50 is the his charges which he must take from the shop. Find the cost of printing 68 t-shirts. So find the cost of printing 68 t-shirts. So this is 60, this is 70. So 60, where is 68? This is 65 and this is 68. So if we take the point against 68, this point on the line is this one, which is this point. So this point is just one small square down from the 400. So actually if we see 0 to 100, there are 10 small squares for 2 centimeter here, because scale may be different for different graph papers, but here in this graph paper 0 to 100, so it means each small square equal to 10. Each small square equal to 10. So it means one small square down from the 400 line point. So it means that will be 390. This cost will be 390. This was part 3. Part 3. It was part 3. Cost for 68 t-shirts. So that is equal to $300, 390. Next is a charitable organization has a budget of for 10 print t-shirts for charity event. How should David advise on number of t-shirts that he can print for them? So for $410, this is 400 and 410, just one small square up. So if we see the 410 on this line, 410, so this point at the end of this line, and this is actually second square, and if we see second square from here, so that is equal to 72. So this was the part 4. Part 4 answer is 74 shirts. He can bought 74 shirts for $410.